In this video, I will show you how to post on Beehiiv. Now, this is actually very simple, so let's get started. First of all, I want to say, if you want to get started with Beehiiv with 20% off of your first 3 months and a 30-day free trial, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get the best discount. Now, let's create an account by tapping on Start Trial right here. And here we can choose a plan. Let's get started with Launch, and let's create an account over here. Alright, and now I need to tap on Get Started over here. And now it is creating my account. And now I need to verify my email. And now I need to verify my phone number. And this is just a one-time verification, as you can see. So let's fill in my phone number over here. Alright, and now I can just paste the verification code over here. Just like this, and now it is verifying my phone number, as you can see. So what is my newsletter experience level? So let's say I'm a beginner, continue. And now I can give this a name, for example, Luke's newsletter, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so what is my newsletter about? Okay, let me skip this for now. How did I hear about Beehiiv? Let's say YouTube. Then let's continue. I'm a solo creator. Let's say become full-time creator. Alright, weekly. And then let's tap on continue. Alright, so now our account is created, but yeah, we actually want to post. So this is actually very easy. So what we need to do is we need to tap on Start Writing in the left side of our screen. So on this sidebar, which we can close and open over here, we can also start writing. So once we tap on this arrow over here, we can either select a blank draft or a template. So we can select a template. You do need to create those templates yourself. So yeah, it doesn't make any sense if you've just created an account. So let's tap on blank draft over here. And now, as you can see, this is a blank draft. It kind of looks like a Notion page. As you can see, you can type with /, which gives you, this gives you a lot of options. So what we can do is we can give this post a title. This is my first post, for example, a subtitle. Please read the whole post and the actually content. All right. This is the content of my first post. Hope you like it. Something like this. You can hide the author if you want to. It's not necessary. Alright, you can add a thumbnail over here. You can add authors, like I said. You can add guest authors. You can add content text. You can see the words over here. You can show or hide the title. And you can add a lot of things by tapping /. As you can see, you can even add a subscribe break over here. So you need to be you need to pay basically or subscribe in order to see this. Right, let me hide this for now. And if you're satisfied with your post, you can preview this post. So this is what it looks on web on the desktop. This is what it looks on web on mobile, and this is what it looks on email on mobile and on email on desktop. As you can see, just like this. We can change this also, by the way, in the design lab. And now if you're satisfied, you can tap next. And you can select an email audience. So you can select the default audience. All free or all paid subscribers. Let's select all free. Just like this. We have 0. We have 0 subscribers to our email. But that is something for another time. Default audience, alright, we don't have any web or email subscribers. So we tap next. We can change this if you want to, but I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I can turn on likes and comments. I can set a custom URL if I want to. For example, my first post. Alright, next. As you can see, I can add a post thumbnail over here. I can add in advanced email capture, gated or pop-up. as you can see, there's a lot of settings I can change, and then I can review this, review and publish to web, email and web, but since I have 0 subscribers, that doesn't make any sense. Post and subject line. Then I can schedule this or publish now. All right, let me publish this now. As you can see, I can schedule this for any time I want to. I can tap on this calendar over here to select a date easily and a time easily. All right, publish now and publish now. But since there is no active subscribers, yeah, it isn't possible to send this to the email. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select. We're gonna actually delete this, as you can see. Yeah, just like this. Next, review, schedule, publish now, publish. And as you can see, the post is successfully published. I can preview this, as you can see. So this is my first post. I can go to delete and go to this and delete this. And as you can see here, you can see all of my posts. Yeah, just like this. I can even add my Facebook and stuff, but I did not add it yet. You can see the performance, the directions, just like this. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and remember, if you want to get started with Beehiiv with 20% off of your first 3 months, check out the link in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.